Need a personal loan but don't have any credit? It's still possible to get approved, and in today's video, I will show you how. Stick around. By the end of this video, you will know the steps that you need to take in order to increase your chances of getting approved. And I will share some important tools to help you get the best rate out there. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more videos just like this one. Whether you're just starting out or you have never taken out a personal loan, this video is for you. Getting a personal loan without any credit history sounds impossible, but with the right approach, you can definitely do it. I will be sharing a couple of different methods and tools, so make sure you watch the video until the very end. Before we jump into the strategies, let's clear out a misconception. No credit is not the same as bad credit. No credit. You haven't used credit before. Therefore, there's no history to assess. Bad credit. You have used credit in the past but may have missed payments or defaulted on loans. Having no credit simply means you do not have a track record that the lenders can look at. This can happen if you have never taken out a loan, if you have never purchased a home or purchased a car on credit or used a credit card, if you simply have not done any of those things, or you have simply just turned 18 and you're trying to get started and you're trying to build your credit history. Bad credit, on the other hand, means that you have made mistakes in the past. Both scenarios present challenges, but having no credit doesn't necessarily mean a bad thing, as lenders are most likely going to give you a chance, especially if you request a smaller amount, such as a $1,000 loan all the way up to $5,000. Now that we have clarified that, let's dive into the ways that you can get approved for a personal loan, even without any credit history. Option number one, find a lender that specifically caters to people that do not have any credit. These lenders will typically look for other things, such as your income, your employment history, and how much money you have saved up already. These lenders will look at other factors, such as your income, if you have a job, your employment history, and your bank's activity, rather than just your credit score. A lot of online lenders have specific loans for people with no credit. Also, I have included multiple tools in the description box below from different lenders that can help you get approved. These comparison tools are amazing in my opinion. They're super simple and they're free. So all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, fill in some information, and they will automatically provide you with a list of different loans that you qualify for, even if you do not have credit history. The best part is you enter your information one time and you get a list of lenders willing to give you money. Also, you are able to see everything on one page. You are able to compare different lenders, how much they're offering you, and different interest rates, all in one spot. In my opinion, these tools are amazing, especially if you are shopping around. You do not want to go to 10, 20 different lenders, 10, 20 different banks, and just repeat the process over and over again, fill out your information 1,000 times just to get one quote. This way, you're comparing a ton of lenders at the same time and they'll be competing for your business. Option number 2 and 3 are a little bit trickier, but still doable. If you are struggling to get approved, having a cosigner can be a game changer. A cosigner is simply someone who agrees to pay the loan back if you don't. A cosigner will give the lender the confidence to approve the funds that will go into your bank account. Just keep in mind, your cosigner will be responsible for the loan if you miss payments or if you simply default. So definitely do your best in order to pay the loan back. Also, I have seen a lot of people use their brother, sister, parents, grandparents as co-signers. If you know you're not going to pay the loan back, definitely do not ruin a relationship over money. So definitely consider your pros and cons when thinking about getting a co-signer. Option 3 is a secured personal loan. A secured loan is simply a loan that is backed up by collateral. Instead of being backed up by a co-signer or your credit, you have to back it up by something of value. So depending on the lender, you can use a couple of things as collateral. You can use your car if it's paid off, if you have a mortgage, if you have a savings account, if you have a 401k, 401k, investments, the list goes on and on. Pretty much anything of value that the lender can take if you stop paying your loan. This simply lowers the risk to the lender. Now they can give you $5,000, and if you don't pay it back, they get your vehicle. Obviously, a lot of pros and cons when it comes to secured loans. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that roughly 62% of Americans between 18 and 25 don't have a credit card? This means that a lot of young adults are in the same boat, looking for loans with no credit history. And here are a couple of tips to increase your chances of getting approved for a personal loan. Tip number 1, build your financial profile. Even if you do not have credit, there are still ways to show the lender that you are financially responsible, like having a stable job, getting paid consistently every week or every 2 weeks, and a solid track record of paying your bills on time. All of this can boost your chances of getting approved significantly. Tip number 2, start small. If you are new to loans, do not apply for $100,000 right away. Start out small and then build up over time. I personally suggest anywhere between $500 all the way up to $5,000. Just depends on how much money you make. Starting out small can help you build your credit. So next time you need a loan, you can request $5,000 or $10,000. The next time after that, you can request $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. The better your history of repayment and the higher your credit, the more money the bank will most likely approve you for. Tip number 3, compare lenders. Not all lenders are the same. Some will work with you even if you don't have any credit history. Others won't. So that is why I highly recommend using a comparison tool like the ones I have linked in the description box below. See what lenders are offering you. Never go with the first offer. Always compare so you always get the best deal. These comparison tools will save you the hassle of going from one lender to another, reapplying over and over again. Also, they will ensure you get the best deal possible. Best of all, a lot of the lenders will approve you within minutes, and they can have the funds deposited in your bank account within 24 to 48 hours. So getting a personal loan online, in my opinion, is the best option out there. So if you don't have a credit history, don't panic. There are still lenders out there and ways to get approved for a loan. Just remember, build your financial profile over time. Start small and grow from there. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.